Okay, I'm just setting up the stream. It'll be. We'll have content very soon, I promise. Share the link. Okay, and I'm gonna turn this on. Monitor one. Yep. Monitor one. Yeah, there we go. And wait, no. Whatever. It's fine. Okay. Hi everyone. So I did a stream like this before, and I didn't. Okay, let's wait. No, I need to do live split stuff. That's. Oh, wait, that's Caden live. I want live split. Times of push-ups. Edit. Okay. If you're watching this on YouTube, um, just skip ahead to 5 minutes. 45, okay. Oh, okay, no, I think we're good. Oh, we're good. Okay, let me start the timer. Hello, everyone. I am going to read more of the Godot engine source code for you today, because I did that last time, and for some reason people enjoyed that. This is a file that was requested of me to read, and I wasn't able to finish it because my voice started hurting. So we're gonna try that again. And I might do things a little bit differently, but let's see. So I've got this iced coffee that my girlfriend made for me. It's good coffee. Okay. Slash many asterisks slash asterisk projection.cpp asterisk slash many asterisks slash asterisk. This file is part of colon asterisk slash asterisk Godot engine asterisk slash asterisk https:// godotengine.org asterisk slash asterisk slash many asterisk slash asterisk copyright open paren c close paren 2014 present Godot engine contributors open paren c authors.md close paren period asterisk slash asterisk copyright open paren c close paren 2017-2014 Juan Linietsky, Ariel Manzer, period, slash asterisk, or asterisk slash asterisk, asterisk slash asterisk. Permission is hereby granted, free of charge, 20 person obtaining asterisk slash asterisk. A copy of this software and associated documentation files, open paren, the asterisk slash asterisk, left or double quote software double quote close paren comma to deal with to deal in the software that restriction comma including asterisk slash asterisk without limitation the rights to use comma copy comma modify comma merge comma publish comma asterisk slash asterisk distribute comma sublicense comma and slash or sell copies of the software comma and to asterisk slash asterisk permit persons to whom the software is furnished to do so, comma, subject to asterisk slash asterisk the following conditions colon asterisk slash asterisk slash. The above copyright or yeah, asterisk slash asterisk. The above copyright notice and this permission shall be asterisk slash asterisk included in all copies of or substantial portions of the software period asterisk slash asterisk slash asterisk. The software is provided as the software is provided double quote as is double quote comma without warranty of any kind comma asterisk slash asterisk express or implied comma including but not limited to the warranties of asterisk slash asterisk merchantability comma fitness for a particular purpose and non-infringement period asterisk slash asterisk. In no event shall the authors or copyright holders be liable for any asterisk slash asterisk claim, comma, damages or other liability, comma, whether in action of contract, comma, asterisk slash asterisk, tort or otherwise, comma, arising from, comma, out of or in connection with the asterisk slash asterisk software or the use or other dealings in the software, asterisk slash many asterisk slash. Hashtag include double quote projection.h double quote hashtag include double quote core slash math slash aabb.h double quote hashtag include double quote core slash math underscore funcs.h double quote hashtag include core slash math slash plain.h double quote hashtag include double quote core slash math slash rec2.h double quote hashtag include core slash math slash transform underscore 3d.h double quote hashtag include double quote core slash string slash ustring.h double quote float projection colon determinant open paren close paren const curly brace and then let's see here's the monster right here. Return column 03 times columns 1 2 times columns 2 1 times columns 3 0 minus column 02 times columns 1 3 times columns 2 1 times columns 3 0 minus columns 03 times columns 1 1 times columns 2 2 times columns 3 0 plus column 01 times columns 1 3 times columns 2 2 times columns 3 0 plus column 02 times columns 1 1 times columns 2 3 times columns 3 0 minus column 01 times columns 1 2 times columns 2 3 times columns 3 0 minus column 03 times columns 1 2 times columns 2 0 times columns 3 1 plus column 02 times columns 1 3 times columns 2 0 times columns 3 1 plus column 03 times columns 1 0 times columns 2 2 times columns 1 3 minus column 0 0 times columns 1 3 times columns 2 2 times columns 3 1 minus column 02 times columns 1 0 times columns 2 3 times columns 3 1 plus column 0 0 times columns 1 1 times columns 2 3 times columns 3 1 plus column 03 times columns 1 1 times columns 2 0 times columns 3 2 minus column 01 times columns 1 3 times columns 2 0 times columns 3 1 minus column 03 times columns 1 0 times columns 2 1 times columns 3 2 plus column 0 0 times columns 1 3 times columns 2 1 times columns 3 2 plus column 0 1 times columns 1 0 times columns 2 3 times columns 3 2 minus column 0 0 times columns 1 1 times columns 2 3 times columns 3 2 minus column 0 2 times columns 1 1 times columns 2 0 times columns 3 2 plus column 0 1 times columns 1 2 times columns 2 0 times columns 3 3 plus columns 0 2 times columns 1 0 I forgot to put out loud in the description. That's why. I think I was at the third to last. Okay. Columns 0, 2 times columns 1, 1 times columns 2, 0 times columns 3, 3 plus columns 0, 1 times columns 1, 2 times columns 2, 0 times columns 3, 3 plus columns 0, 2 times columns 1, 0 times columns 2, 1 times columns 3, 3 minus columns 0, 0 times columns 1, 2 times columns 2, 1 times columns 3, 3 minus columns 0, 1 times columns 1, 0 times columns 2, 2 times columns 3, 3 plus columns 0, 0 times columns 1, 1 times columns 2, 2 times columns 3, 3 semicolon. Yeah, so the reason I'm doing this is I was mumbling a bit in my earlier streams, and like I was editing a stream yesterday and the audio was hard to work with. Um and so I just basically I needed something to read, and I'm a Godot YouTuber. I work with this engine, so it seemed appropriate. Um but yes, it is a little silly. I think that's kind of the point. Um and yeah, someone last time I was streaming this requested this file and I couldn't finish it, so I'm finishing it now. And it is 937 lines long, and we've just done 50. Okay, so, right curly. Void projection colon colon set underscore identity open parens colon paren left curly 4 left paren int I equals 0 semicolon I less than 4 semicolon I plus plus right paren left curly 4 left paren I int j equals 0 semicolon j less than 4 semicolon j plus plus left paren left curly columns I equals j, or columns ij equals left paren I equals j, right paren colon 1 colon 0 semicolon right paren or right race right curly right curly void projection colon colon set underscore 0 left paren left curly 4 left paren I equals 0 semicolon I less than 4 semicolon I plus plus left right paren left curly 4 int j equals 0 semicolon j less than 4 semicolon j plus plus right paren curly brace or left curly columns I j equals 0 semicolon right curly right curly right curly. Oh god, more. The person who requested this had a cruel sense of humor. Plane projection colon colon x form 4 left paren const plane ampersand p underscore vec 4 right curly or gosh right paren const left curly plane ret semicolon ret dot normal dot x equals column 0 0 times p underscore vec 4 dot normal dot x plus columns 1 0 times p underscore vec 4 dot normal dot y plus columns 2 0 times p underscore vec 4 dot normal dot z plus columns 3 0 times p underscore vec dot d semicolon ret dot normal dot y equals column 0 1 times p underscore vec 4 dot normal dot x plus columns 1 1 times p underscore vec 4 dot normal dot y plus columns 2 1 times p underscore vec dot normal dot z plus columns 3 1 times p underscore vec 4 dot d semicolon ret dot normal dot z equals column 0 2 times p underscore vec 4 dot normal dot x plus columns 1 2 plus plus columns 1 2 times p underscore vec 4 dot normal dot y plus columns 2 2 times p underscore vec 4 dot normal dot z times or plus columns 3 2 times p underscore vec 4 dot d semicolon ret dot d equals column 0 3 times p underscore vec 4 dot normal dot x plus columns 1 3 times p underscore vec 4 dot normal dot y plus columns 2 3 times p underscore vec 4 dot normal dot z plus columns 3 3 times p underscore vec 4 dot d semicolon return ret semicolon right curly. vector 4 vector 4 projection colon x form left curl coffee. It's important. Vector 4 projection colon x form left curl or vector 4 projection colon x form left paren const vector 4 ampersand p underscore vector 4 right paren const left curly return vector 4 left paren column 0 0 times p underscore vector 4 dot x plus columns 1 0 times p underscore vector 4 dot y plus columns 2 0 times p underscore vec 4 dot z plus columns 3 0 times p underscore vec 4 dot w, comma, column 0 1 times p underscore vec 4 dot x plus columns 1 1 times p underscore vec 4 dot y plus columns 2 1 times p underscore vec 4 dot z plus columns 3 1 times p underscore vec 4 dot w, comma, some okay. Okay. So the ums and likes and stuff like that, like I just didn't want right there. That's not even what I'm working on. I was just kind of mumbling, and you couldn't really hear me very well, and it made it difficult for me to work with the footage, and it made it difficult for the viewers to understand what was going on. So that wasn't really what I was looking for. This is more about projecting. So I want to have like a bigger voice, and I'm also boosting my audio about 2 decibels from where it was before. But which I think is also helping. But yeah. I mean that might be also be something that I need to work on. You know, weeding out the ums and likes and whatever. But I don't care about that as much. I think it's sort of a naturalistic way of speaking. Um, Maybe something to keep an eye on. Gosh, where was I? I think I was. I'll just start at columns 2 0 times p underscore vec 4 dot x plus columns 1 2 times p underscore vec 4 dot y plus columns 2 2 times p underscore vec 4 dot z plus columns 3 2 times p underscore vec 4 dot w, comma, columns 0 3 times p underscore vec 4 dot x plus columns 1 3 times p underscore vec 4 dot y plus columns 2 3 times p underscore vec 4 dot z plus columns 3 3 times p underscore vec 4 dot w, left paren semicolon or right paren semicolon right curly. And another thing I want to practice here, I haven't. Another thing I want to practice here is that I haven't done any scripted content for my channel yet, and so reading it out loud accurately on the first couple tries might also be good. And if I have if I have scripted content, um, I speak Spanish and Japanese at like a mediocre level. So in theory, if I had a script and I was patient, I could translate that script into other languages and release the video 3 times. So that might be fun. Vector 4 projection x form underscore in vector 4 projection x form underscore inv left paren const vector 4 and p underscore vec 4 right paren const left paren return vector 4 left paren column 0 0 times p underscore vec 4 time column 0 0 times p underscore vec 4 dot x plus column 0 1 times p underscore vec 4 dot y plus column 0 2 times p underscore vec 4 dot z plus column 0 3 times p underscore vec 4 dot w, comma, columns 1 0 times p underscore vec 4 dot x plus columns 1 1 times p underscore vec 4 dot y plus columns 1 2 times p underscore vec 4 dot z plus columns 1 3 times p underscore vec 4 dot w, comma, columns 2 0 times p underscore vec 4 dot x plus columns 2 1 times p underscore vec 4 dot y plus columns 2 2 times p underscore vec 4 dot z plus columns 2 3 times p underscore vec 4 dot w, comma, columns 3 0 times p underscore vec 4 dot x plus columns 3 1 times p underscore vec 4 dot y plus columns 3 2 times p underscore vec 4 dot z plus columns 3 3 times p underscore vec 4 dot w, left or right paren semicolon right curly. And then I think this, this has to be something to do with quaternions, right? Like I don't know if anyone in chat knows, but I feel like it's got to like this is. I mean, it's projection, so it's okay. Last time I did this, I was just drinking so much water that it was silly. I'm just gonna like take little sips and see if that helps. Um, avoid projection adjust underscore perspective underscore into z near left paren real underscore t p underscore z real underscore t space p underscore new underscore z near right curly left paren left curly and let's see real underscore t z far equals get underscore z underscore four left right paren semicolon real underscore t z near equals p underscore new underscore z near semicolon real underscore t delta z equals z far minus z near semicolon columns 2 equals minus left paren z near plus z far plus z near right paren slash delta z semicolon columns 3 equals minus 2 times z near times z far slash delta z semicolon right curly. How are we doing on lines of code here? Okay, we're about a fifth done. projection create underscore depth underscore correction left paren bool p underscore flip underscore y right paren left curly projection proj semicolon proj dot set depth correction left paren p underscore flip underscore y right paren semicolon return proj semicolon right paren or right curly projection create underscore light not create projection create underscore light underscore atlas underscore rect left paren const rect 2 ampersand p underscore rect right paren left curly projection proj semicolon proj dot set light set underscore light underscore atlas underscore rect left paren p underscore rect right paren semicolon return proj semicolon right curly. The other reason I'm reading this code rather than like a script is that I want to practice harder than I play. Um, and so any script I'm going to be reading is probably something I wrote. So, like that should be fairly easy compared to this. This, like, I need to be very precise, and there's a lot of stuff that like doesn't. It's just not the way you usually read. So, if I throw myself a curveball or whatever, I should be fine. I think it's also like I'm not absorbing very much of this, but it's kind of interesting. I, for example, like I don't know. I mean, I don't know what any of this stuff does, but what I do know, like I know some basics of how 3D stuff works. Um, anyone in chat, I would highly recommend you go get a copy, and I got mine. You know, let's just say I got mine for free. But go get a copy of Game Engine Black Book, Wolfenstein 3D, because that's really interesting. It maybe I should be reading that book. It's barely even designed to be read to yourself, let alone spoken out loud. Exactly. Um, so if I can read this, I can read, a normal script. Maybe I should read a normal script later, but I committed to doing this, so I'm doing it. Ugh. I don't know. People, people. Last time I made a video like this, they just came to check me out and see you just see how insane I was. And at this point, we take those. There's a couple people in the comments who are just like, "What's wrong with you?" And that was pretty funny. There's one other person in the comments who thought the other commenters were mean, and it's just like, yeah, you like I put myself in clown makeup, and people are and there's a commenter who's like, "Oh no, people are calling you a clown." Yes, I know I'm a clown. Um, so like, yeah, That's kind of where we're at right now. Anyway, projection create underscore perspective left paren real underscore t plus p underscore fovy fovy underscore degrees comma real underscore t p underscore aspect comma real underscore t p underscore z underscore near comma real underscore t p underscore z underscore far semi or comma bool p underscore flip underscore pov right paren left curly projection proj semicolon proj dot set perspective set underscore perspective left paren p underscore fovy underscore degrees comma p underscore aspect comma p underscore z underscore near comma p underscore z underscore far comma p underscore flip underscore p vov left paren or right paren semicolon return proj semicolon right curly. At least I'm not a bad clown. Actually, this is really interesting. I heard that one of the reasons that clowns are scary is that basically your clown persona is an exaggeration of your normal persona. And so if you as a person are like not doing so hot, then like your clown trying to be all happy and excited and whatever when you're not personally feeling that is what can create the sort of dissonance that makes people like feel like clowns are creepy because you've got this person who's like, probably depressed, probably not doing so hot, um, wearing this happy, fun makeup and trying to make you happy when they can't make themselves happy. I'm sure you've heard the joke that's like, this guy goes to a doctor and says, "Doctor, I'm very sad. Can you cheer me up?" And he's like, "Yeah, yeah, it's easy. There's this clown, whatever his name is. Go visit him." And he goes to the doctor. Okay, but I am that clown, Then that's and that's sort of the thing. But yeah, like making myself essentially the punchline here, by doing something ridiculous is the point. And like I'm very well aware that no one's actually supposed to read this out loud. We've had you know, I don't know if you saw this. Like, there's news when Elon Musk bought Twitter that he wanted people to print out the fucking source code. Like, source code lives on the computer. Like, everyone knows that. But here we are. Projection create underscore perspective underscore HMD left paren real underscore T P underscore FOVY degree FOVY underscore degrees comma real underscore T P underscore aspect comma real underscore T P underscore near P underscore Z underscore near comma real underscore T P underscore near underscore far comma bool P underscore flip underscore FOV comma P underscore int comma int P underscore I comma. You should just slow down. Real underscore T P underscore intraocular underscore dist comma real underscore T P underscore convergence underscore dist right paren left curly. Is this VR stuff? Oh my gosh. Like, I think that there are reasons every once in a while you'd want to do it. I think that the best example for why you might want to do it is, you know, take a large code base like this, like the Godot source engine, or just basically any game. You just don't have enough screen real estate to see all of it at the same time, and so I can imagine someone, taking up a whole conference room or whatever and printing it out and sort of like string and thumbtaxing just so you can see sort of the scope of the whole thing at the same time. Um, like that almost makes sense. And I've heard that like back in the old days, like when computers were far less useful, um, people occasionally printed out the source code and like looked through it in a binder with a marker basically. Sorry, with a marker basically to like find the error because like syntax highlighting wasn't a thing yet. But yeah, in the modern day, it's kind of silly. All right. Anyway, return proj semicolon right curly Wait, did I just? Okay. Projection colon create underscore for underscore HMD left paren int p underscore I comma real underscore t p underscore aspect comma real underscore t p underscore interocular underscore dist comma real underscore t p underscore width p underscore display underscore width comma real underscore t p underscore display underscore 2 underscore lens comma real underscore t p underscore oversample comma real underscore t p underscore z underscore near comma real underscore t p underscore z underscore far right paren left curly projection or yeah projection proj semicolon proj dot say proj dot set underscore 4 underscore hmd left paren p underscore I comma p underscore aspect comma p underscore intraocular dist. Sorry, quick. Just quick. Yeah, that's well, yeah. So only being that's one of the reasons that I don't really leave comments in my code. It's basically like we've got function names, we've got descriptive variable names, and that sort of thing. Um, but it doesn't really make sense for me to comment like what a block of code does because it should be self-explanatory. And if it's not self-explanatory, I've written bad code, and a comment isn't going to help that. Um, but yeah, I think that a lot of things. One of the examples here is, for example, when I've what do you call it? I don't know if anyone else does this, but a lot of times when I post something, that's when I find the errors. So like I'll design something and I'll like put it up, and then I'll realize immediately after I posted it that oh, it's like I spelled this word wrong or whatever. And yeah, I can see it's the same of just like you write some text in Japanese or whatever, and then you have to read it out loud to the class, and you're like, oh god, you know. Um, I guess I do read some of my source code out loud just for to make videos. Okay, let me just. Gosh, I wish I had some sort of like bookmarker or something. I think I just did. Okay, p underscore under p dot proj dot set underscore 4 underscore hmd left paren p underscore I p underscore aspect p underscore I comma p underscore aspect comma p underscore interocular dist comma p underscore interocular underscore dist comma comments main function. Yeah, I basically agree with that. I I'm sure like basically all of the projects I've made so far have been tiny, and so I can just hold like basically all of the logic in my head at the same time. But yeah, once a project gets bigger than the sort of you could make it in a day scope, you start to want comments. But with Godot specifically, you've got variable names, you've got function names, you've got the names of the dang objects themselves, and you've got sort of the context they live in within the game. And with all of that, if you can't figure out what's going on, I think that's a you issue. Especially if you wrote it yourself. Like if you're looking at someone else's project, you're gonna be like, oh my god, this is a mess. Why are there no comments? But for me, for right now, it's fine. And I'm not doing anything complicated with math. Well, at least not yet. Okay, I'm just gonna say I've read this one. Oh, create projection create orthogonal. This okay, so okay, projection. Okay, I I don't know how C++ works. So create set orthogonal. That's Okay, so that's another line of this function. So we're at line 143. We're going to jump to line 344. And then, okay. So these are basically just like placeholders for like, I don't know. If I understood C++, this might work better. I played around with Rust a little bit, but I didn't get that deep into it. And also, like Rust and C++ have enough syntactic differences that the knowledge doesn't necessarily transfer. Okay, let's see. Projection. Projection : create underscore orthogonal left paren real underscore t p underscore left comma real underscore t p underscore right comma real underscore t p underscore bottom comma real underscore t p underscore top comma real underscore t p underscore z near comma real underscore t p underscore z far comma right paren left curly projection proj semicolon proj dot set orthogonal left paren p underscore left p underscore right p underscore left comma p underscore right comma p underscore bottom comma p underscore top comma p underscore z near comma p underscore z far comma left paren semicolon return proj semicolon right curly projection projection : create underscore orthogonal underscore aspect left paren real underscore t p underscore size comma real underscore t p underscore aspect comma real underscore t p underscore z near comma real underscore t p underscore z far comma bool p underscore flip underscore fov left right paren left curly projection proj semicolon proj dot set underscore orthogonal left paren p underscore size comma p underscore aspect comma p underscore z near comma p underscore z far comma p underscore flip underscore fov right paren semicolon return proj semicolon right curly projection projection : create underscore frustum left paren real underscore t p underscore left real underscore t p underscore right real underscore t p underscore bottom comma real underscore t p underscore top comma real underscore t p underscore near comma real underscore t p underscore far comma left paren right paren left curly projection proj semicolon proj dot set frustum left paren p underscore left comma p underscore right comma p underscore bottom comma p underscore top comma p underscore near comma p underscore far comma left or right paren semicolon return proj semicolon right curly. I'm enjoying reading this sort of like a book. That might be a fun little like video of just like ASMR source code reading. Projection. Projection : create underscore frustum underscore aspect left paren real underscore t p underscore size comma real underscore t p underscore aspect comma vector 2 p underscore offset comma real underscore t p underscore near comma real underscore t p underscore far comma bool p underscore flip underscore fov right paren left curly projection proj semicolon proj dot set frustum left paren p underscore size comma p underscore aspect comma p underscore offset comma p underscore near comma p underscore far comma p underscore flip underscore fov right paren semicolon return proj semicolon right curly projection projection : create underscore fit underscore aabb left paren const aabb ampersand p underscore aabb right paren left curly projection proj semicolon proj dot set underscore translate underscore to underscore fit left paren p underscore aabb right paren semicolon return proj semicolon right curly projection projection : perspective underscore z near underscore adjust left paren real underscore t p underscore new underscore z near right paren const left paren projection proj equals asterisk this semicolon proj dot adjust underscore perspective underscore z near left paren p underscore new underscore z near right paren semicolon return proj, semicolon, right paren. Plane. Projection colon colon get underscore projection underscore plane. Planes p underscore plane, right paren. Const left paren. Const real underscore t asterisk matrix equals left paren const real underscore t asterisk right paren column semicolon. Switch p underscore plane left paren. Case plane underscore near colon left paren. Plane new underscore plane equals plane left paren matrix 3 plus matrix 2 comma matrix 7 plus matrix 6 comma matrix 11 plus matrix 10 comma matrix 15 plus matrix 14 comma left right paren semicolon. Plane underscore new dot normal equals minus underscore minus new underscore plane dot normal semicolon. New underscore plane dot normalize left paren right paren semicolon. Return new underscore plane right curly. Okay, I'm curious here. Okay, so we don't have a normalize function in this. Case plane underscore far colon left paren. Case plane underscore far colon left curly. Plane new underscore plane equals plane left paren matrix 3 matrix of 3. How do you think I should pronounce this? Because I tried doing the brackets and then like early in the function it was just like I had to pronounce every bracket and it was awful. But I'm pronouncing every other character, you know, so I feel like I should. Whatever. Equals plane left paren matrix left brace 3 right brace minus matrix left brace 2 right brace comma matrix left brace 7 right brace minus matrix left brace 6 right brace comma matrix left brace 11 right brace minus matrix left brace 10 right brace comma matrix 15 matrix left brace 15 minus matrix left brace 15 right brace minus matrix left brace 14 right brace left paren right. These parentheses are gonna just kill me. Right. Semicolon. New underscore plane dot normal equals minus new underscore plane dot normal semicolon. New underscore plane dot normalize left paren right paren semicolon. Return new underscore plane. Case plane underscore left colon left curly. Plane new underscore plane equals plane left paren matrix left brace 3 right brace plus matrix left brace 0 right brace comma matrix left brace 7 right brace plus matrix left brace 4 right brace comma matrix left brace 11 right brace plus matrix left brace 8 right brace comma matrix left brace 15 right brace plus matrix left brace 12 right brace parentheses semicolon. New underscore plane dot normal equals minus new underscore plane dot normal semicolon. New underscore plane dot normalize left paren right paren semicolon. Return new underscore plane right curly. To articulate in English instead of routing the characters. Okay, so it would just be like case plane top. I mean, but gosh. But like if you just say like case plane top plane new plane equals plane matrix 3 minus matrix 1, it just I don't know. I feel like I should pronounce at least some of the special characters. I guess there's no real like standard for this or anything. Hmm. Yeah, you'd have to figure out a system for it. I mean, matrix of seven makes sense. I think that yeah, but like the difference, like the underscores. I don't know. Let's try it. Okay, so plain top colon left brace, plain new plane equals plain left paren matrix of 3 minus matrix of 1 comma matrix of 7 minus matrix of 5 comma. Okay, that is better. Okay, let's try it. Case plain underscore top colon left brace. Left, case plain underscore top colon left curly. Plain new underscore plain equals plain left paren matrix of 3 minus matrix of 1 comma matrix of 7 minus matrix of 5 comma matrix of 11 minus matrix of 7 comma matrix of 15 minus matrix of 13 right paren semicolon. New underscore plane dot normal equals minus new underscore plane dot normal semicolon. New underscore plane dot normalize left paren right paren. I guess just dot normalize. You don't really pronounce the parentheses there. Semicolon. Return new underscore plane right curly. Case plain right colon left curly. Plain case, I guess, yeah, plain new plane equals plain matrix of 3 minus matrix of 0, comma, matrix of 7 minus matrix of 4, comma, matrix of 11 minus matrix of 8, comma, matrix of 15 minus matrix of 12. And then I guess I didn't pronounce the opening, so I don't pronounce the closing. Semicolon. New plane dot normal equals minus new plane dot normal, semicolon. I think I do want to pronounce the semicolon, so those are sort of those are important. New plane dot normalize, semicolon. Return new plane, semicolon. Right curly. Case plane bottom, colon. Plane new plane equals plane matrix of 3 plus matrix of 1, comma, matrix of 7 plus matrix of 5, comma, matrix of 11 plus matrix of 9, comma, matrix of 15 plus matrix 13, comma, or matrix of semicolon. New plane dot normal equals minus new plane dot normal semicolon. New plane dot normalize semicolon. Return new plane semicolon. Right curly, return plane semicolon, right curly. Projection. Projection colon flipped y. Okay, what do you call this? What do you call like these two columns in a row? I'll just call it double colon. Projection. Projection double colon flipped underscore y left paren right paren const left paren or projection. Projection double colon flipped underscore y flipped underscore y const left curly. Projection proj equals asterisk this semicolon. Proj dot flip underscore y semicolon. Return proj semicolon. Right curly. Projection double colon flipped what projection double colon jitter underscore offset ed offset it okay whatever projection double colon jitter underscore offset ed left paren const vector 2 ampersand p underscore offset right paren const left curly. Projection proj equals asterisk this semicolon. Proj dot add underscore jitter underscore offset left paren p underscore offset right paren semicolon return proj semicolon right curly. Void projection. Oh my god, this one file. Oh hey, we got signs. Yay! We like signs. Void projection colon set underscore perspective real underscore t p underscore fovy underscore degrees comma real underscore t p underscore aspect comma real underscore t p underscore z underscore near comma real underscore t p underscore z underscore far comma bool p underscore flip underscore fov right paren left curly if left paren p underscore flip underscore v f of v right paren left curly p underscore f of y underscore degrees equals get underscore f of y left paren p underscore f of y underscore degrees comma 1.0 left or 1.0 slash p underscore aspect right paren semicolon right curly real underscore t sine comma cotangent comma delta z semicolon real underscore t. What is real underscore t? What is it? Actually, I don't actually mind pronouncing the underscores and stuff. But if you don't like it, I can just do real t sine comma cotangent comma delta z semicolon. It's real t sine cotangent delta z. Real t radians equals math double colon. I don't know. It feels wrong, but we'll do it. Real t radians equals math degree to rad left paren or where? This is just confusing me. Yeah, I'm here for the pain. Okay. Well, I guess that's what we're bringing today. Real underscore t sine comma cotangent comma delta z semicolon. Real underscore t radians equals math double colon degrees to radian dag underscore 2 underscore rad left paren f of y degrees slash 2.0 right paren semicolon delta z equals p underscore z underscore far minus p underscore z underscore near semicolon sine equals math colon sine and left paren radians right paren semicolon if left paren delta z equals 0 right paren bar pipe left paren sine equals 0 right paren bar pipe left paren p underscore aspect equals 0 right paren left curly return semicolon right curly cotangent equals math colon cos left paren radians right paren slash sine semicolon set underscore identity left paren right paren semicolon columns of 0 equals cotangent slash p underscore aspect columns of 1 equals cotangent semicolon columns of 2 equals minus left paren p underscore z underscore far plus p underscore z underscore near right paren slash delta z semicolon columns 2 equals -1 semicolon columns 3 equals -2 times p underscore z underscore near times p underscore z underscore far slash delta z semicolon columns of 3 equals 0 semicolon right curly. Oh my god. This one file might take the whole stream to finish. Oh, Jesus. Void projection set underscore perspective left paren real underscore t p underscore f of y degrees comma real underscore t p underscore aspect comma real underscore t p underscore z underscore near comma real underscore t p underscore z underscore far comma p bool p underscore flip underscore f of e comma int p underscore I real underscore t p underscore interocular dist comma real underscore t p underscore convergence underscore dist left paren left curly right curly left paren. No wait. I'm losing my mind here. Okay, we're just gonna pretend I did that correctly. If p underscore if p underscore f flip underscore f of e p underscore f of y underscore degrees equals get underscore f of y left paren p underscore. Okay, now we're just dropping characters. Okay, if p flip f of e p f of y degrees equals get f of y p underscore p f of vy degrees, comma 1.0 flat divided by p underscore aspect, semicolon, right paren, or right curly. Real underscore t left, comma right, comma model translation, comma y max, comma x max, comma frustum shift, semicolon. Y max equals p underscore z underscore near times tan of degrees, or math colon degrees to radians, left paren, t underscore f of vy degrees divided by 2.0, right paren, semicolon. X max equals y max times p underscore aspect, semicolon. Frustum shift equals p underscore intraocular dist divided by 2.0 times p underscore z underscore near divided by p underscore convergent dist. Switch p underscore I. Case 1, left equals minus x max plus frustum shift. Right equals x max plus frustum shift. Model translation equals intraocular dist p intraocular dist divided by 2.0. Break. Case 2, left equals minus x max minus frustum shift. Right equals x max minus frustum shift. Model translation equals p underscore intraocular dist divided by 2.0. Break. Default comment. Mono should give the same result as p underscore as set perspective, p underscore f of vy degrees, comma p underscore aspect, comma p underscore z near, comma p underscore z par, comma p underscore flip f of vy, p underscore flip f of v. I have no idea what that means. Left equals minus x max, right equals minus x max, model translation equals 0.0 semicolon, break. Set frustum, left right minus x max minus what set frustum right left minus y max p underscore z underscore near p underscore z underscore far. Okay. Comment. Translate matrix by model translation, comma 0, comma 0.0, comma 0.0. Projection CM, is that centimeters? CM.set identity, columns of 3, 0 equals model translation, asterisk this equals asterisk this times CM. Yeah, I'm going to drop characters because I want to get through this file, this stream. Especially since I'm not planning on doing another one of these. I'm doing this one because the last one was popular, but past that, like, eh. Void projection colon set underscore 4 underscore HMB left paren int p underscore I real underscore t p underscore aspect, comma real underscore t p underscore interacular distant, comma real underscore t p underscore display underscore width, comma real underscore t p underscore display underscore 2 underscore lens, comma real underscore t p underscore oversample, comma real underscore t p underscore z underscore near, comma real underscore t p underscore z underscore far, left or right paren, left curly. Comment. We first calculate our base frustum on our values without taking our lens magnification into account. Okay, I would hate to do it the other way around. Real TF1 equals p underscore p intraocular dist times 0.05 divided by p display to lens. Real T F2 equals display width. Okay, well, whatever. I don't know. Display width minus p intraocular dist times 0.05 divided by p display to lens. Real TF3 equals p display width divided by 4 divided by p underscore display to lens. Now we oversimple. Comment. Now we apply our oversample factor to increase our FOV. How much we oversample is always a balance we strike between performance and how much we're willing to sacrifice in FOV. Real T add equals F1 plus F2 times P oversample time minus 1.0 divided by 2.0. F1 plus equals add, F2 plus equals add, F3 times equals oversample. F3 divided by A equals P underscore aspect. Switch PI. Case 1. Comment left eye. Set frustrum minus F2 times PZ near, comma, F1 times PZ near, comma, minus 3 times PZ, minus F3 times PZ near, comma, F3 times PZ near, comma, PZ near, comma, PZ far, break. Case 2 in the right eye. Set frustrum minus F1 times PZ near, F2 times PZ near, minus F3 times PZ near, F3 times PZ near, PZ far. Break. Default. Comment mono does not apply here. Break. And projection, colon, set orthogonal, real T, P left, real T, P right, real T, P bottom, real T, P top, real T, P Z near, real T, P Z far. Set identity. Columns of 0, 0 equals 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by P right minus P left. Columns 3, 0 equals minus P right. Minus applied to this. Oh gosh. Okay, well I can't pronounce that correctly. Minus open paren. P right plus P right. P right plus P left divided by P right minus P left. Close paren. Columns 1, 1 equals 2 divided by P top minus P bottom. Columns 3, 1 equals minus open paren P top plus P bottom divided by P top minus P bottom close paren. Columns of 2, 2 equals minus 2 divided by P under PZ far minus PZ near semicolon. Columns of 3, 2 equals minus open paren PZ far plus PZ near divided by PZ far minus PZ near close paren. Columns of 3, 3 equals 1.0. Projection, colon, set orthogonal, real T, P size, comma, real T, P aspect, comma, real T, PZ near, comma, real T, PZ far, bool, P flip POV, if not P flip FOV, P size times equals P aspect. Set orthogonal, minus P size divided by 2 plus P size divided by 2 minus P size divided by P aspect divided by 2 plus P size divided by P aspect divided by 2, PZ near, PZ far. PZ wherever you are. How are we doing on lines? Okay. Now we're a little over a third. Okay. Void projection, colon, set frustrum, left paren. Void projection, set frustrum. Real TP left, real TP right, real TP bottom, real TP top, real TP near, real TP far. Error fail condition, P right less than or equal to P left. Error fail condition, P top less than or equal to P bottom. Error fail condition, P far less than or equal to P near. Real T times TE equals ampersand columns of 0, 0. Real TX equals 2 times P near divided by P right minus P left. Real T Y equals 2 times P near divided by P top minus P bottom. Real T A equals P right plus P left divided by P right minus P left. Real T B equals P top plus P bottom divided by P top minus P bottom. Real T C equals minus P far plus P near divided by P far minus P near. Real T D equals minus 2 times P far times P near divided by P far minus P near. Oh gosh. But at least this is a lot of lines and not much text. TE of 0 equals x, TE of 1 equals 0, TE of 2 equals 0, TE of 3 equals 0, TE of 4 equals 0, TE of 5 equals y, TE of 6 equals 0, TE of 7 equals 0, TE of 8 equals a, TE of 9 equals b, TE of 10 equals c, TE of 11 equals minus 1, TE of 12 equals 0, TE of 13 equals 0, TE of 14 equals d, TE of 15 equals 0. That's Okay, I have no idea what this does. It's got to be something with hexadecimal. One sec. Okay. Void projection, set frustrum, real TP size, real TP aspect, vector 2 P offset, real TP near, real TP far, bool P flip FOV. If not P flip FOV, P size times equals P aspect. Set frustrum minus P size over 2 plus P aspect dot X plus P size over 2 plus P offset dot X minus P size over P aspect over 2 plus P offset dot Y P plus P size over P aspect over 2 plus P offset dot Y P near P far. Real T projection get Z far const real T times matrix equals const real T times columns. Plane new plane equals plane matrix 3 minus matrix 2 matrix 7 minus matrix 6 matrix 11 minus matrix of 11 minus matrix 10 matrix 15 minus matrix 14 new plane dot normal equals minus new plane dot normal new plane dot normalize return new plane dot d. Real T projection get Z near const real T times matrix star matrix asterisk matrix equals const real T asterisk columns. Plane new plane equals plane matrix of 3 plus matrix of 2 plus matrix of 7 plus matrix of 6 plus matrix plane matrix of 3 plus matrix of 2 comma matrix of 7 plus matrix of 6 comma matrix of 11 plus matrix of 10 comma minus matrix of 15 minus matrix of 14. End statement. New plane dot normalized. Return new plane dot d. Vector 2 projection get viewport half extents const real T asterisk matrix equals, that's like a borrow thing or something like that. Asterisk matrix equals const real T times const real T columns semicolon comment near plane. Plane near plane equals plane matrix of 3 plus matrix of 2 comma matrix of 7 plus matrix of 6 comma matrix of 11 plus matrix of 10 comma minus matrix of 15 minus matrix of 14 comma end statement. Near plane dot normalize. Right plane right plane equals plane matrix of 3 minus matrix of 0 comma matrix of 7 minus matrix of 4 comma matrix of 11 minus matrix of 8 comma matrix of 15 plus matrix of 11 or matrix of 12 comma right plane dot normalize. Plane top plane equals plane matrix of 3 minus matrix of 1 comma matrix of 7 minus matrix of 5 comma matrix of 11 minus matrix of 9 comma minus matrix of 15 plus matrix of 13 close parenthesis semicolon top plane dot normalize. Vector 3 res. Near plane dot intersect 3 left paren right underscore plane comma top underscore plane comma ampersand res left right paren semicolon. Return vector 2 res.x comma res.y semicolon right paren or right curly. Okay. I guess okay. Sorry, I forgot about a thing.